Come on this way. We're gonna go to the beach. Just kidding, not with that. Okay. Okay, folks. Last day here. Don't look at my coat. Last day here in Delray Beach, and we're gonna actually head to the beach. Get in the water. It's 8:30, right about, Beckett? And
Yeah.
it's already roasting hot, so I'm probably wearing too much clothes.
It's roasting hot.
So we're heading to Delray Beach, get in the Atlantic Ocean, but my calves feel like they are gonna explode. Feels like a little baby's just been punching them all night long. See,
Steven never plays tennis.
I know, I don't play tennis really anymore. And then hitting it yesterday on the ATP courts, I don't know, I went a little bit hard, I guess. Paying for it today. That's what happens when you become an old man. Okay, Beckett, tell us about your beach getup here.
This is my beach vibe. This is a towel sweater made in Vancouver.
Okay, where's this towel from?
Oh, this towel is just from the grounds, baby.
Oh, Delray Beach, baby. That's all.
Acquired legitimately.
I found myself a nice beach shade. So we're at the beach. We got some disgusting coffee in a styrofoam cup. This amazing Atlantic Ocean is definitely not my vibe. What are these? Some complimentary blue umbrellas? What better way to refresh than to get in the ocean? Well, that's a great little morning swim. Oh, nothing better than enjoying our disgusting coffee. Really puts me in the right zone. Okay, folks, well, we just had a great little swim in the ocean here at Delray Beach. Enjoying some gross coffee now. Really getting me in the mood. And a little update on Roger Federer. He had arthroscopic knee surgery like yesterday or something. And he's gonna miss all of the Sunshine Double and the entire clay swing, so he'll be ready for Wimbledon. That's pretty disappointing for everyone because I think tennis is much better when he's playing, but there's still so much to be excited about. Old man, he's got to be repairing his body. Hey Beckett, how's the ocean?
It's a little bit salty.
Are you telling me that the ocean's salty?
Yeah. Every time you try and have a little drink, it's just way too salty and get dehydrated.
Don't drink the salt water.
No, it's pretty good. It's perfect temperature, like a little bit cooler than the pool, I think, at the hotel. But that pool is too hot, so refreshed, kind of sticky, but gonna have a shower probably.
Ready for some more tennis?
Ugo Petchmanovic should be epic. Not our car.
Not our car.
Okay, so
But we're still here in Delray. So we're headed to the tournament. Last day. We gotta fly out today, but we're gonna go catch a little bit of a Hugo Humbert. You-goat Humbert. He might be the GOAT eventually. We're gonna catch a bit of that match versus Kecmanovic. Get a couple videos done. Say hi to our guy, Greg Sharko from the ATP. Great guy. Helped us out with the Milos interview. Anyways, we're gonna get back there for a little bit and then hit the plane home. All right, folks, so we're back here day 4 at the Delray Beach Open. We're right now, I think we see Francis TIAFOE going on court. We might go say hi. Because Beckett's got that fresh shoe game and I heard he's a big kicks fan. Good luck, boys. Thoughts?
Pizza is good.
So we are in the Fort Lauderdale airport, ready to head back to Canada after a pretty sick 4 days. How about that, Beckett?
It was epic. My first pro tournament, so it was super sick. Don't want to go without a media pass ever though.
Yeah, I know. It was awesome. We got so much access to the players. Thanks to the ATP for setting us up with Milos Raonic and just letting us do our thing and helping expose the tournament.
Thanks for the tournament sponsors too, who they did a great job.
Yeah, for sure, they did.
And the Slice sponsors.
Exactly, like the Hyatt Delray Beach place. Thank you for just setting us up with the sickest room with the pool, all of it, and thank you to the Delray Beach Open for the pass. I'm still wearing it for no reason. But anyways, this has been the Slice at Delray Beach 2020 travel vlog, officially signing out. Peace. Okay, folks. Well, I know I already signed off, but I just wanted to thank all of you again for watching, following along on the Slice's journey to make it to an ATP tournament like this with me and Beckett, making the best content we could for you guys and just showing the inside of the tournament. So I wanted to thank you guys again, especially the people on the Front Row Show on Patreon for helping make this possible. And yeah, it's just crazy to think, yeah, it's cool. Like 3 years ago, I was just making videos in my bedroom, and now we're out here covering the tournaments, interviewing some of the best players in the world, and literally would not happen if I didn't have people to show this to. So thank you for watching, thank you for following along, and thank you for supporting the Slice.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I can
Put the heat on the feet.